What is up, guys? My name is Killer Cloud, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do invisible jellyfishes. It's the same concept with a original jellyfish, okay? The same approach is the same way. You pop the O, same thing. After you're done popping the O, a nice milky O, you're following it, let it expand, and when you drop that vapor, you take another inhale of the mod that you're using, and you drop that into the O, and it wraps around. With an invisible jellyfish, what's different is that when you're popping that O out, when you're initially coughing the O and following after it, and before you drop it, that O needs to be very wispy, okay? The O needs to be very transparent, not milky, okay? That's the opposite, okay? So an invisible jellyfish, the approach is different from a normal jellyfish. Normal jellyfish is you pop an O that's thick and milky, and then you drop that vapor in there and it wraps around, and that's how you make the jellyfish. Invisible jellyfish, when you initially pop the O, it needs to be a lot thinner than a normal O that you would pop. Barely take a rip of your mod, of your device. You don't want to take a big long pull because that's going to be more you have to exhale, okay? And that's not the point of it. You barely want to inhale your device. That's as clear as I can make that, okay? So I'm going to do some examples for you guys pretty soon, but I just want to thoroughly describe it a little more so you guys can get this in detail. Everything that you see that's an invisible jellyfish, they can see the O that they're shooting out. They follow that O that they're shooting out. It's very hard to see, but you can barely see it to the naked eye. To the camera, they can't see it at all. All they see is you following something that's not even there, okay? Then you take a new pull of that vapor like you would a normal jellyfish, and you drop it in the top center of the O that you shot out, right? It's a super easy trick to do. If you know how to do a normal jellyfish, an invisible jellyfish is equally the same. It's all about how thin that O is. So you don't have to get it super thin, but thin enough where it's barely visible and you can still see it relatively and follow right after it. Expand it a little bit and then drop that thick, milky drop of vapor, that fresh new hit, into the top center of the circle. Something like that. It doesn't have to be too milky, but something where you want to cheek inhale and drop. You don't want to lung inhale that drop. You want to cheek inhale the drop. It's a lot easier. So I'm going to do some examples for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.
We're gonna have to go.